PySide is a Python binding of the cross-platform GUI toolkit Qt. It is one of the alternatives to the standard library package Tkinter. Like Qt, PySide is free software. The project started out using Boost.Python from the Boost C++ libraries for the bindings and later switched to the binding generator Shiboken to reduce the size of the binaries and the memory footprint. PySide was released under the LGPL in August 2009 by Nokia, the former owners of the Qt toolkit. After Nokia failed to reach an agreement with PyQt developers Riverbank Computing to change its licensing terms to include LGPL as an alternative license, work is currently underway to update PySide to work with Qt 5 under the project name PySide 2. Following an announcement by the Qt company, PySide supports Linux, X11, Mac OS X, Windows and Maemo. Support for Android is currently being added by the PySide community. Hello World example. See also PyGTK. WX-Python. Official website. Differences between PySide and PyQt. Qt documentation wiki.